Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with GMC Pro Safety Plus, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated cargo liner, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, OnStar emergency communication system, rear view camera, cross traffic alert, safety alert seat, rear park assist, outside heated power adjustable mirrors, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.